So now we are going to start our map work of Geography Chapter 3, Minerals and Resources. So in our today class, we will discuss about the distribution of minerals across India and across the world also. Okay. So first is our Asia. In Asia, China and India have large iron ore deposit. So if question arise related to the iron ore in Asia, so you will mark China and India, and I hope both the country you know where they are located. Okay, and after that, China and Malaysia and including Indonesia. These are the leading tin producer. Now is it clear? Yes. Okay. So who are the leading tin producer in the world? China, Malaysia, and Indonesia. After that, again, China is also leading producer of lead, antimony, and tungsten. So here we are discussing about the all the minerals. Asia also had deposit manganese, bauxite, nickel, zinc, and copper. But now is it okay? Yes. Yes, ma'am. Okay, fine. Next, we are going to discuss about the Europe. Okay, in Europe, you know Europe is the leading producer of iron ore in the world. Along with that, the country which are largest deposit of iron ore are Russia, Ukraine, Sweden, and France. And if we talk about the minerals, then we are having copper, lead, zinc, manganese, and nickel. And we found in Eastern Europe and European Russia. But these are the minerals which we found across the world. Okay, so I'm not focusing much on these. Just I'm telling that which country relate to which mineral, and after that we will discuss about the mineral found in India. So next is our North America. North America we divided into three zones: the Canadian region of the Great Lake, Appalachian region, and the mountain ranges of the west. Okay, and here what we found iron ore, nickel, gold, uranium, and copper mine. Okay, and coal in the Appalachian region. Western Cordilleras have vast deposit of, you can say, copper, and we are having our lead, zinc, gold, and silver also. Okay, I hope it is clear. Next, we are having South Africa. If we talk about the South Africa, then Brazil is the largest producer of high-grade iron ore in the whole world. And Chile and Peru, these are the leading producer of copper. If we talk about the producer of tin, then we are having Brazil and Bolivia, who are the world largest producer of tin. Okay, and if we talk about the minerals of South America, then we can talk about gold, silver, zinc, manganese, bauxite, mica, and platinum, diamond, and so on. And we are also having mineral oil in Venezuela, Argentina, Chile, Peru, and Colombia. Okay, so we are having so many things in South America. Next is your Africa. Africa is also very rich in mineral resources, as it is the world largest producer of diamond, gold, and platinum. See, it is the largest producer of diamond, gold, and platinum. And the South Africa, Zimbabwe, and Zaire produce a large portion of the world's gold. Okay, अगर ये largest producer है तो world का सबसे ज़्यादा gold भी ये यहाँ पे produce होता है सबसे ज़्यादा portion में. After that, if we talk about the minerals, then we can found copper, iron ore, uranium, cobalt, and bauxite. And if we found mineral oil, so we can found it in Nigeria, Libya, and Angola. So oil is found in mainly in Nigeria, Libya, and Angola. Okay, next is our Australia. Australia is largest producer of bauxite in the world. Okay, and it is also a leading producer of gold, diamond, iron ore, tin, and nickel. और जो बाकी मिनरल्स हैं, it is also rich in copper, lead, zinc, and manganese. Okay, and Australia have the largest deposit of gold also, but it is a largest producer of bauxite, but it is also have largest deposit of gold. After that, Antarctica. If we talk about the Antarctica, then we can say there are so many variety of minerals which are deposited in Antarctica, like iron ore, gold, silver, and oil, and we can also use them for the commercial purpose. वहां पे उनकी इतनी क्वांटिटी मिलती है that we can use that for the commercial purpose. Commercial purpose means for the business purpose. Okay, next, now we will discuss about the distribution of minerals in India. Okay, so let me share that screen with you. Fine, बच्चे. Is this visible to you all? Yes. So let's start with the iron. So India has deposit of high grade of iron ore, and if we talk about the states where we found is Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Goa, Maharashtra, and Karnataka. Okay, and we are having short form also, JOC MGMK. If we talk about the iron, then short form is JOC MGMK, Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Goa, Maharashtra, and Karnataka. You can write down this short form also. Iron, JOC MGMK. Okay, after that we are having bauxite. Bauxite, you know, bauxite is we get aluminum from the bauxite ore. So we can say that bauxite are in raw form, and if when we refine them, we get aluminum. So bauxite producing areas are Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra, and Tamil Nadu. Again, we can learn them with the short form JOC MGMT. अभी आप देखिए जो हमने आयरन का अभी पढ़ा था उसमें भी आपका JOC M वहां पे भी था, JOC M आपका यहाँ पे भी है. Okay, so you can find out these common states, JOC M and GM in iron also and GM in bauxite also. Only T is different, and that is for Tamil Nadu. Okay, so like this you can learn the states of iron, bauxite, or any other mineral. Next, we are going to discuss about the mica. Okay, so mica deposit mainly in Jharkhand, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh and Rajasthan. और अगर इसका शॉर्ट फॉर्म अगर हम देखें तो इट्स ABJR. ओके, ABJR. APJ सुना, APJ अब्दुल कलाम. So it's not P, it's B. ABJR. Okay, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand and Rajasthan. Like this you can learn the states of all these minerals. Next we are having copper. It is mainly produced in Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. RMJK. These are very simple tricks, बच्चे. You can learn with this trick very easily. Manganese, India's manganese deposit in Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Karnataka, and Andhra Pradesh. The question will arise like this: that locate the following states or locate the following minerals in their particular state. If we giving you the option like mica and copper, okay, so you need to write down their name, and if you are having your map, so you can mark them in your proper map also, okay. But now you are having your exams online and you need to send it on our WhatsApp number. So what you need to do, you can write down the name of the state also, that if we ask about the copper, then you are having Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. ठीक है, तो आप वहां पे सिर्फ स्टेट के नाम लिखेंगे. I hope it is clear to you. Next we are having limestone. Major limestone producer state in India are Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan, Gujarat, and Tamil Nadu. B Jom, okay, first we'll do B Jom. Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh. After that we are having CRGT. CRGT, Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan, Gujarat, and Tamil Nadu. Fine. Now we are having gold. Kolar in Karnataka had deposit of gold in India, as we all know. And these mines are among the deepest in the world, which makes mining of this ore a very expensive process. तो ये जो माइनिंग है वो कैसी है, बहुत ज्यादा डीप में है, जिसकी वजह से पूरा जो प्रोसेस है वो कैसा हो जाता है, एक्सपेंसिव प्रोसेस हो जाता है. सो गोल्ड मेनली लीडिंग प्रोड्यूसर कौन है, कर्नाटका. नेक्स्ट वी आर हैविंग सॉल्ट. We obtained from, as you know, we obtained it from the sea, lakes, and rocks. And India is the one of the world leading producer as well as exporter of salt. Okay. So India is leading producer as well as exporter of salt throughout the world. So mainly this was all about your map work. After that we are having power resources also, but we will discuss it in our next class. Today we discussed only about the minerals deposit in world and only in India. Okay, I hope it is clear to you all.